to more that we're tracking. In fact, clearly, even as the Prime Minister has termed the NDA's victory a historic feat, the opposition is not convinced. Now, the India bloc refuses to acknowledge Prime Minister Modi as the winner and, in fact, is terming the mandate as being against Modi, calling it a moral loss for the Prime Minister. India bloc leaders are calling for Modi's resignation, isn't it?
Thank you to the people of Wayanad and Raebareli for the huge support that you have given me. जो आपने मुझे भारी सपोर्ट दिया, भारी बहुमत से आपने जिताया, इसके लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मुझसे पूछा जा रहा है कि मैं वायनाड का एमपी रहूँगा या रायबरेली का। मैं तो दोनों का रहना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद, जय हिंद, कंग्रेचुलेशंस और बधाई आप सबको।
ये जो रिजल्ट है जनता की रिजल्ट है और ये जनता की जीत है और लोकतंत्र की जीत है। हम पहले से यही कह रहे थे कि ये लड़ाई हमारी मोदी वर्सेस जनता है, लोग हैं। भाजपा ने एक व्यक्ति एक चेहरे के नाम पर वोट मांगा। अब ये स्पष्ट हो गया है कि ये मैंडेट मोदी जी के खिलाफ गया है। ये उनकी राजनीतिक और नैतिक हार है।
In my view, he should step down. Remember Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. He had 414 in the 1984 elections. In 1989, the census number fell to 191, but it was still the largest single party. When President Venkatraman invited Mr. Rajiv Gandhi to take a shot at forming the government, he promptly replied, because I was there at that time, he promptly replied saying, I have lost the mandate of the people and I will not form the government. You may invite the second largest party. Mr. Modi, in the true parliamentary traditions, must step down. If his party elects another leader, that's a different matter. He should step down and he should decline to form a government.
আমি খুশি মোদি জি সিঙ্গেল লার্জেস্ট মেজরিটি পায়নি, উনি ক্রেডিবিলিটি লস করেছেন। ওনার ইমিডিয়েট প্রধানমন্ত্রী থেকে রেজিগনেশন দেওয়া উচিত। এখন তাকে পায়ে ধরতে হচ্ছে টিডিপি আর পায়ে ধরতে হচ্ছে নীতিশ, বাট এদের আমি খুব ভালো করে চিনি, এরা ইন্ডিয়াটাকে ভাঙতে পারবে না।
Niyamika, my colleague, joins me for more. Niyamika, good morning. Clearly, all eyes on this crucial meet. What more should one know given what the political situation at the moment is looking like?
Well, it is going to be a very important meet because now the India bloc leaders are coming to the national capital. They are going to discuss about the future strategy as many of these India bloc leaders are claiming that it is taking the moral responsibility of the numbers which the BJP has got. It is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who should give resignation because they are saying that this is not a defeat for the India bloc, but it is indeed a defeat for Mr. Narendra Modi, because they are saying that the manner in which they were expecting, the manner in which they had campaigned in the name of Modi, as per that, the BJP has failed to perform on the ground, and that's the reason why many of the leaders are seeking a resignation from him. On the other side, if we talk about the India bloc leaders, then there is going to be a very crucial meeting at 6 o'clock in the evening, in which the future strategy is going to be decided, because when this question was being asked to Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge yesterday during the press conference, that whether they will accept to be in the opposition or they will stake claim to form the government at the center, then Rahul Gandhi had replied that this decision will be taken in the meeting where all the India bloc leaders will be present, that what is going to be the future strategy, as there were some reports which are also coming in that the India bloc leaders are also in contact with the other regional parties including JDU or TDP. So whether they will accept the offer which is being given by India bloc or not, that will be seen in the upcoming days.
Right, Niyamika. Thank you very much for getting us more on the fact that this is, of course, clearly a crucial meet. But how this pans out, we'll have to wait and watch. But since we're